Did you know that lightning is actually 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun? A single bolt of lightning can reach temperatures of up to 30,000 Kelvin. That's over 53,000 degrees Fahrenheit. In comparison, the surface of the sun is only around 6,000 Kelvin. That intense heat is why lightning can instantly vaporize anything in its path, melt metal, and even fuse sand into glass. It's also why lightning strikes are so dangerous and powerful. Despite lasting just a fraction of a second, each bolt unleashes a massive burst of energy, up to 1 billion volts of electricity.